Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game or right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether the game pad is working or not. If the issue continues, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update your controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once your controller drivers are updated, now launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings, after that click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, after that click on remove device, after that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device and then click on everything else and here add your controller. After adding it, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. If there is an update available, update your Windows and after that try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So after you launch Steam, select your game under library section. Here you can see big picture mode. You have to click on it. After that, here you have to select the game and you have to click on the play option, check whether the game is launching or not. After that, click on Steam option. Now click on power and here you have to select exit big picture mode. After exiting big picture mode, now check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, click on download option. After that, go below and here you have to click on download option. Once the DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it. Now after installing it, you have to connect your controller and update it, and after that try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is not working, error is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.